One of the hardest things in trading is when to take profits or how to manage or exit a trade. Finding setups is pretty easy. Anyone can do it if they have a good software program like ProTrader. But the difference between a winner and a loser is how you manage the trade once you're in it. If you look at what like legends of the industry do, like this guy or this guy, there's a lot of similarities in how they manage trades once they're in them. Sure, they do trim into strength at times when stocks are overextended, but mainly they like to trail stop losses. This guy likes trailing his stops using a 10 and 21 exponential moving average. I want to show why that is so damn powerful in this video. Let's take a chart of MU, Micron Technology, one of the biggest stocks, one of the fastest moving stocks on the NASDAQ. It has given so many good setups over the years. Break out from bases and Davis boxes and trend upwards. The issue is how do you manage it once you take those awesome setups? If you look at what some of the greats do, they keep it simple. They don't overthink it. They're not staring at stupid intraday prices all day long. They're not looking at 5-minute charts or 1-minute charts or 1-hour charts. They're just sticking to their daily charts and weekly charts, and they're riding the major trends. This is how the big money's made. Check the MU out when it broke this amazing base. Trends up. What sometimes they'll do is take a little bit off and a close below a 10 exponential. So this would be a little bit off here on MU. Then they take the rest off on a close below the 21, which would be up here on MU. It's a pretty good move. If you'd taken a lot off after its first quick move, you would have been leaving a lot on the table. Another setup, another breakout. Ride the 10 exponential would have taken you out up here. Ride the 21 would have taken the second lot up here. MU is setting up again. The winning stocks just keep setting up time and time again. Here's another Davis box break. This is also doubling. You can see a couple inside bars there. It's tightening and tightening. If you go through, look at a bunch of winning stocks. Let's have another look at one, AXTI. This amazingly trending stock. Obviously, this stock is a little bit more volatile than MU. Get in on a breakout, let's say this amazing base back here. If you're patient, get out up here on the 10 exponential, then here on the 21. But see how many more times this stock will go down and take you out below the 21. The shorter that moving average that you use for trailing stop, the more you're going to get whipped. But if you use a longer term moving average, you're going to give a lot back a lot more of your paper profits. There is no holy grail, and this is the hardest thing to get through people's heads. If there was a holy grail system, everyone would be billionaires, but there's not. What you need to do is just figure out what you can live with, what's going to bank you profits on a consistent basis. And then 99.9999% of this comes down to actually bloody doing it. Most people take entries and then they sell after 3 days because they get scared, or their emotions take a hold, and they don't follow the damn system. The best traders, they leave their emotions at the door. They park their ego around the corner. They just follow the system. They follow the rules. The rules state that they sell when the price closes below the 21 exponential. Then they just do it. They don't second guess it. They just follow their damn rules. This is how the serious money's made. Yes, they have an initial stop loss level. When you get into a stock on a breakout, you have your uncle point. You decide where you're going to get out if you're wrong. That's the initial risk. The upside, when you use a trailing stop, is nearly limitless. Stocks can go up thousands and thousands of %. When you're getting a real big winner, it can just run and run. But your initial stop loss is your initial risk. You can only lose that amount. The risk-reward ratio, if you're trading properly, is insane. Hope this helps for the exit strategy. It's no holy grail, remember that. It's the hardest thing. But if you can master a management strategy for exit that makes you feel comfortable, it opens the markets to you. You can literally turn the stock market into a cash register if you get your emotions in check and trade with discipline.